In this video, you will learn how to use Paychex. Sign up or set up your account, sign up on the Paychex platform, choose a plan based on your business needs, enter your company details, employee identification number, bank information and employee details, add employees or contractors, log into your dashboard, go to the employee section and add each worker personal information, tax details like their W-4, direct deposits and their job role. Set up a pay schedule. Choose how often you want to pay your employees. This could be weekly, bi-weekly or monthly. Set the work week start and end dates for the first payroll run. Run a payroll. Go to the payroll section, enter hours worked, bonuses or any extra pay. Review taxes, deductions and net pay. Submit payroll when everything looks correct. Review reports and tax filings. Paychex calculates and files payroll taxes. You can access payroll summaries, tax filings and employee pay records in the records section. Use HR tools. If your plan includes HR features, use them for onboarding, performance tracking and benefit management, and even compliance. Employees can log in and view pay stubs and even their tax forms. Contact support if you need to. Paychex offers 24/7 support through the phone or chat. You can also check the help section for guides and common questions. Now you know how to simply use Paychex. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.